The temptation in this moment is to make a video about myself, and I don't want to do that because I'm reminded that I come from India. I come from which India? I come from two Indias.
So Veer Das got on stage at Kennedy Center in Washington, D.C., approximately in front of 2,500 people. Thanks to the power of social media, that 6-minute video has reached over 10 million people. It's on everybody's WhatsApp chats, and quite a few million seem to be upset with him. Upset enough to obviously want him to go to Pakistan, and of course, FIRs have been filed against him. We're asking you a simple question. Was Veer Das lying? Are there, in fact, no two Indias? Was he exaggerating? Why are people so angry? Jaggu, firstly, you. Did you watch the video?
I did watch the video. Then I watched multiple. Veer Das's video? I thought he was speaking the truth.
I thought he was speaking the truth too. In fact, it moved me so much that I was crying when I watched the video. Yeah. So clearly we're not the people who got angry, but there are enough people who did get very, very angry, and we want to try and analyze gussa kahan se aata hai. So firstly, are there two Indias, Jaggu, in your opinion?
I think there's more than two Indias, but let's just run with the theme. Yes, there are two Indias.
There's one person's version of India and there's another person's version of India. Now, is India the only country where such a difference exists? Of course not. Every country has duality. हर देश में गरीबी है, अमीरी है, skyscrapers हैं, shanties है, inequality है. So it is true for almost every country in the world, and it is true for India. I mean, there is one India where since September we've had like the right wing preventing Muslims from doing their prayers, the Friday namaz in Gurugram, and then there is the other India where the Gurdwaras and individual Hindus have said, "Aapko namaz padni hai, hamare ghar aa jao, aap hamare Gurdware mein aa jao." So the two Indias exist in front of all of us. So now, what do you think, Jaggu, the gussa is for? Do we not like to see the truth?
We don't like a mirror being put in front of our faces by people that we don't like to begin with. Tu kaun hota hai? Okay. Who are you? There is one other side story. ये घर की बात है. बाहर क्यों बक रहे हो? Now, I want to clarify that point once and for all. One, this is the age of the net.
Yeah.
Or the metaverse. Anybody can say anything at any time, at any place. And yes, it can go all around the world. Having said that, so geography is not important. Having said that, let's address the point of geography. Why did he do it in the US? Naak kyun katwaya hamare? Why did he not address it internally? And I'm seeing a lot of these reaction videos where they're pretty much going to town with, yes, rape might be a serious issue. Why are you not addressing it to the country? Why are you sitting on a stage in Washington, D.C. and in front of Americans, in front of Goras, in front of the world discussing it? Pehle to, Veer Das is not that much of an internationally famous comedian like Dave Chappelle or someone like that, or even a Russell Peters, where people of all nationalities
are in the audience.
Predominantly, they would have been Hamare Desi Bande only. And Desi Bande sitting in Washington are not unaware of what is happening in India. At the end of the day, he's a performer. He has to play to the audience. He has to appeal to the audience. He's not going to talk about stuff that is completely irrelevant to the audience. It was absolutely relevant to that audience. Out of those 2,500-3,000 Desis, it's very fair to say that a very, very high percentage of that audience were, as a matter of fact, Indians. So he was addressing Indians. They just happened to be living in a different place.
Yes, he was.
It's not bahar ki baat, andar ki baat.
No, but this whole, I think this whole bahar ki baat and andar ki baat, it comes from, I think as a society, we have always been a little like ghar ki baat ghar mein rehne do, which is why so many atrocities actually happen even within the four walls of people's homes.
And they don't get reported.
Yes. So domestic violence, usually a lot of people hear sounds coming from their neighbors' houses, but you tend to keep quiet. You're not going to go knock on the door and say, "Kya ho raha hai?" Nobody will call the police. The next day you will not bring up a "Hello, Sharma ji, we heard some very loud screaming sounds coming from your house," because हम ऐसे सहमे हुए लोग हैं. So this, I think, has hit home because you're like, it is the truth. I mean, there's all facts out there to prove that everything that Veer said, which is negative about India, is unfortunately true. And we don't like ugly truths being sort of, put out there in the public. Like a Chetan Bhagat has said, if my mother is ill, I'm not going to go make fun of her outside. I will try and heal her, which is ridiculous, because it's like, if your mother is being beaten at home and you're not getting support at home, why will you not go outside and get help and try
Exactly
and
right.
fix the issue, versus like, let my mother be beaten at home, but like main apna muh band rakhunga. So
These analogies, these comparisons that are happening, they're sort of taking away from the point of the matter. I don't think Veer Das at the Kennedy Center said anything that you and I have not already read about in the papers.
or
Now,
felt,
the argument
or
that
agree with.
this is not true for all of India. Of course, it's not true for all of India. He's saying so himself. He's saying, I come from two Indias. There's one part of India that does things a certain way. There's another part of India that does things another way. Now, that does not mean 500 million people do things one way, 500 million people do things another way. There are some amongst that 5 million people that do things rightly, wrongly, correctly, left, right, jo bhi ho. They do it. But the point is that they represent India.
They do. And you know how psychiatrists and therapists will always tell you, acknowledging a problem is the first step towards finding a resolution for it. But if we continue to live in denial, where we won't even admit that something is wrong, how is a solution ever going to be found? How are we ever going to heal? How is the hatred ever going to go? So this whole don't wash our dirty laundry in public argument, I'm not a supporter of it. The whole, he must go to jail, put him in jail and all. Obviously, we don't agree with that. And for all of you who are watching this and getting now angry with us, really, really dig deep into your heart and say, गुस्सा वाकई में क्या हम पे आ रहा है, वीर दास पे आ रहा है, या किसी और चीज पर आ रहा है?
Absolutely right. And here's the thing. Again, he hasn't said anything that we don't already know. There is patriarchy. There are old senior gentlemen with views from the last century or the century before that talk down to us, whether they talk down to the youth, whether they talk down to a particular community, whether they specifically talk down to women. That whole thing about women should not use mobile phones, otherwise they will get spoiled. Women should
Don't
not
wear jeans,
women
otherwise
should
you will
not
get
wear
raped.
short skirts.
Yeah.
Those are old-fashioned patriarchal comments to make.
Yeah.
What
And
they
these
should
people
be saying
are
is,
in
boys,
power.
keep it in your pants.
Absolutely.
That's what you should be saying. If you can't, we will send you to jail where you will be forced to keep it in your pants. I don't know. I don't know what Veer Das said that was factually incorrect. Everything that he said is actually the truth. It comes in data, in news reports, in everything. You might not like the way he has said it. Maybe there's something he can do about that. But none of what he said was untrue. And we need to face up to that.
So the question is we right? Are there two Indias? Well, he's partially right, because it's not just two Indias. There are probably 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Indias. And we may not like all of them. But accepting that there is a problem is the first step towards, well, healing. And hopefully more and more people will see it like that. Let us know what you thought of this video. Also, let us know what you thought and what you felt when you saw Veer's video in the comments. Remember to like the video if you do. If you're going to argue with us, do it nicely. We're happy to hear other people's opinion that are contrary to ours. Just remember to respect the community guidelines. No attacking each other, not allowed. But do let us know what you think, and it could be completely different from what we're saying. We're Jagu and Tarana. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, bell icon on. See you soon. Okay, bye.